A glass is filled with milk. Two-thirds of its content poured out and replaced with water. If this process of pouring out two-thirds of the content and replacing with water is repeated 3 more times, then final ratio of milk to water in the glasses. Here, I will explain this concept in 3 methods. I will explain both the shortcut and the concept as well. Shortcut means here two-thirds is a fraction. So in this two-thirds, third represent denominator and which is the total content here. That is two-thirds of content means here 3 part is the total content. Total content means milk plus water. So milk plus water should be a multiple of 3 here. So 1 plus 27 is 28, not a multiple of 3. 1 plus 81 is 82, not a multiple of 3. But 1 plus 26 is 27 and 1 plus 80 is 81. So both C or D can be our answer. Either C or D can be our answer. But here it clearly two-thirds of the content replaced with water and this replacement taken place 3 more times, which means total 4 times this replacement taken. And here total part is 3 part. So this 3 also repeated 4 times because here two-thirds content replaced with water and this replacement taken place 4 times. So here this 3 also repeated 4 times when 3 raised to 4 is equal to 81, which is in our option. 1 plus 80 is 81. So you can ignore this 27 part. So option D is our answer. That is, here two-thirds is replaced with water means remaining one-third is milk part. Two-thirds replaced with water means remaining one-third is milk part. And here this replacement taken place 4 times. So 1 by 3, the whole raised to 4 means 1 by 81. So here one part is the milk part out of this total 81 mixture. Mixture means milk plus water, which means here water is 80 part and milk is 1 part. So milk to water ratio is 1:80. So this is the shortcut here.